G'day guys, Alex Ryan here. It's good to have you back. If you are looking to get your products onto Amazon and you're wondering how do you go about selling your products on there, do you need to do some sort of advertising? How do you get attention? How do you get be louder than your competitors? How do you get more attention than your competitors? Well, today's video we're going to be discussing that plus much more, so stay with me. Welcome back guys, it's good to have you here. So, how do you go about getting attention? Well, you do need to be loud. You've got to be louder than your competitors, and not as loud as this salmon pink shirt, right? You don't have to be that loud, but you do need to be seen, all right? And there's a couple of different ways of doing this, right? A lot of it does come down to marketing, you marketing your products, you marketing a little bit better than the other people. What does that mean? It means better quality images, better product descriptions, better headlines, making sure that the keywords that people are typing into Amazon are actually in your listing, all right? So if people are typing in, for example, if you're selling iPhone covers, right? You don't want to have beautiful mobile case, right? If people are typing in iPhone covers, you don't want to say mobile case. You need to know what people are typing into Amazon to find your product. I'm actually on Amazon right now on my computer, right? I'm actually looking at some products right now. And I was looking at, there's this one product I looked at, and I was actually typing it in, and something else came up. I'm like, anyway, so I looked in the listing, and I was like, what I'm looking for is clearly nowhere to be seen in this particular product, right? It's nowhere to be seen in this particular product listing. And it came up, but it came up as a sponsored ad. So they were actually spending money to be seen for that keyword, whereas they didn't have to be spending money. You don't have to advertise for some products and some keywords, right? That's what I'm going to talk about in a second, right? But I'm saying make sure that if you've got an iPhone case and people are typing an iPhone case or Samsung case, you want to make sure those are in the headline, the copy. You don't want to be putting mobile device, protection package, all right? Because people aren't typing that stuff in, all right? Keep that in mind, all right? The next thing is advertising. Do you need to advertising? Now, PPC standing for pay per click, which means when you type in iPhone case, right, it pops up and people go, oh, okay, and they click that link. It costs you some money, all right? Depending on, it starts from as low as 5 cents all the way up to $1, depending on the product. If you're selling a product on Amazon and it's $300, we've got clients who sell products for $300, $400, $500 on Amazon, right? Spending $1, let me tell you, it's worth it, all right? So it largely does come down to the product that you are selling. If you're selling something that retails for 99 cents, then you're not going to spend $1 on advertising, right? Why would you spend $1 on advertising? You would basically spend no more than 10 cents, 15 cents on that because it's a product cost. So this is where you need to weigh up. First of all, is the product that you're selling actually worth selling on Amazon, provided there is fees and there's costs of shipping, right? And maybe potentially advertising. So you need to make sure there's enough margin and enough time for you, enough money to be worth your time. So guys, I want to keep this video nice and short and sweet, but advertising does help. It does come down to the product that you're advertising. If you're in a very competitive niche, then you do kind of need to advertise. You do kind of have to think about that. Do you want to be advertised? Do you need to advertise, right? Are there already people advertising out there? And it's very easy to find that stuff out. Very easy to find that out. Thanks for joining me, guys. I wish you the best. If you want to find out more, check out my website. Give us a call in the office, 02-8003-7534. I would love to work with you. I want to help you get your product onto Amazon, get your brand onto Amazon, and potentially even find other products to jump on as well. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.